Hey guys, AirHub Pro from Gaahleri. This cool tool can really help you focus and control your airbrushes. See you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are taking a look at the Gaahleri AirHub Pro. These guys are at it again with upgrading your desk, adding new features to make airbrushing more comfortable and just more organized, which organization is a big thing to me. I love being organized. I love having things in precise places. And the one thing that I really like about this AirHub is not only a control platform, it is an organizer. Your brushes, you can hold 4 brushes on this stand. You can control 4 different airflows from this one stand, from one compressor, which is a really cool tool. And I'm gonna flip the box over here, get it the right way here. You guys can see 4 airbrush stand built in, along with 4 airbrush with variable controls. So what's cool about that variable control is I can have 4 airbrushes, say Gaahleri 98Ds, all of them with different pressures. I can have them all pressurized or turn them off. Now for me right now, I've only got 2 air hoses connected to mine, and we're going to take a look at it here in a minute. I've already unboxed it. It's really simple assembly. This back bar connects into the base. These 4 holders slide onto that bar. Literally there were 2 Allen wrench nuts and a little bit of pressure and sliding. That was it. Not even a 5-minute assembly. Now, one of the things I will tell you that I didn't do, I've only connected my hose for my compressor, which is over on the mount over there, and I've only connected the outer 2 most. And I had an air leak, and I didn't even think about it to tighten the 2 caps in the center. And even with the valve shut off, I was like, oh, I probably should check that. So here in a second, we're going to turn over and take a look at it. Now, when I picked this up, this was about a $50 purchase. And since we moved, I needed something to, my old holder was okay, but what this gives me is, it gives me the ability to control my airflow. Now, this one is kind of set up more, the air hose is going in from the right. That, and I'll show you why, is a little off for me, but is okay. That's not a problem. It's not a dream killer for me. But what this does give me is the ability, where I've placed it with my left hand, because 9 times out of 10, I'm controlling my airbrush with my right hand. I'm right-handed, right dominant, controls my airbrush. So my left hand and having the controls on my left allow me to use my left hand to control while testing with my right, not having to set down my airbrush, which is always ideal. So give me 1 second, and we're going to transition over to actually taking a look at the assembled product and kind of playing with it a little bit. But before I do that, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, or if you've been here before and haven't subscribed, why have you not subscribed? Subscribe. Every subscription, every like, every comment, you guys are helping us out grow and become a better channel. So definitely get in there, hit those comments. And the other thing is, if you are interested in this product, at the end of this video, scroll on down to the description down there, and you will see a Gaahleri link. That is my affiliate link that will take you to the website. But right below that is also my 10% discount code off your order. You enter in that code, you get 10% off your entire order. So make sure, one, using the affiliate link, that helps me out with a little bit of financial love, and that is appreciated, but also it gets you a better discount. So without further ado, let's take a look at the assembled product. All right, so you guys can see I've got it all set up here. My intake line from my Gaahleri compressor in there. I've only got 2 hoses because I only have 2 spare hoses, but I do have these on quick connects. Now, I've done prior videos with the quick connects where they have these air control flows. Those are nice, but there's no real gauging the control. One of the things I plan to do is actually see if I can fit a pressure gauge here to tell me what my actual pressure is. But that's for another video, another modification down the line. But I've got my favorite brush that I use here, my Gaahleri 98D. This is very much my all-purpose, just about doing about anything airbrush from Gaahleri. That works really well for me. I have one at both my workstations, because this station you see here, this is my main desk where I'm working all the time. I don't prime here. I don't do any of those things. My nice siphon, Gaahleri, and all of that, those are at my other bench where I do large, long scale, basically my pistol versions of these. or at my other desk where I do a lot of that kind of priming and different things like that, or large base coating. In here, it's mainly doing detail work. And detail work, if you haven't looked at the Gaahleri airbrushes, you guys need a Mobius. The Mobius 0.2, fantastic airbrush, works really, really well for fine details. So, as I said, 98D. Right now, I have the pressure on. I will turn that dial. No pressure. Gotta love that. So, again, I don't have more hoses, or I'd have these all hooked up. But what's nice is I can turn that dial. And you can hear the pressure climbing. So, angular control. Now I put it on my left because I'm going to be airbrushing. I'm going to be doing stuff and I want to turn down my control. My left hand is open to do so. And I'm not setting it down, spilling paint or anything like that. So that is kind of the nice thing. If I turn that the right way, nice thing that allows me to work. So I am using quick connects just because I have 4 brushes and only 2 hoses. I need to go buy some hoses. But right there, you guys can see how it is already giving me a control platform and organization in one stop. And this thing won't just hold these small brushes, it will hold the pistol grip brushes and do all that kind of stuff for you. So the AirHub Pro really has a lot of advantage for you. A lot of people will probably put it on the right side of their desk. This is an L desk for me, so this is the very edge. The other side, it'd be on top of a bunch of other stuff and not fitting for me. And a lot of times I have long hoses. I will actually have the hose behind me and airbrushing with my right. Just the way I do it, it's the way I'm comfortable doing it. So having this control on my left is just more ideal for me. So you guys may want it on the right. That's perfectly fine. I'm just telling you why it's where it is for me. You can see some Gundam bits back there and stuff. And of course you got my cleaning pot. But all in all, it's a great organizer, a great way for control. I am kind of looking to see, kind of trying to think of how I might put a pressure gauge here on each one of these to kind of tell me what my actual pressure is. But I like the ability to turn the dial and have some control and just kind of feel. Yeah, a digital read would be great. And then also I like that I can shut off the airflow when I'm not actually using this. So really cool tool, really great thing that they come out with. Go give it a check out, guys. I think you'll really like it. I am loving it on my desk because what I've also done too is I've got my light control and there's just enough space for my light control. Oh, if my cable wasn't tied up, to sit in here as well. And I really I need to, there it goes, finally. So I have my light control in here too. That works really well for me and it keeps my desk nice and organized and clean. And when I'm not using it, I can kind of push back and push it off to the edge over there and kind of get it out of my way. So, ideal tool. I hope you guys think it is. I hope you guys think this will really up your airbrush control and painting and ability to use your tools. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, again, make sure you're subscribed. We're going to be putting out at least one product video if we can each week. Along with some project videos and all kinds of stuff that we're getting ready to start to do, especially as we come into 2026 and start ramping this stuff up. And also, Gaahleri is very well known for having really cool end of year sales. So keep an eye on the product. And again, even with their sale, you can put that discount code in that's down in the description below. It will even give you a further discount on the price. So hope you guys enjoy. Again, hit that like button if you got questions about it. Definitely let me know down in the comments down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.